PayPal offers two distinct types of automatic payments that work differently and serve different purposes. Understanding these differences is crucial for proper management of your recurring charges. The first type is subscriptions. These are recurring charges for services like Netflix or Spotify. They charge the same amount each billing cycle and are predictable monthly or yearly fees. The second type is pre-approved payments. These allow merchants to charge varying amounts. Examples include eBay purchases or utility bills where the amount changes each time. Now let's explore how to cancel these automatic payments. PayPal provides two main methods, through their website and through their mobile app. For the website method, first log into your PayPal account. Look for the Settings gear icon in the upper right corner of your dashboard, as highlighted in red here. Next, navigate to the Payments tab in your settings. This will show you all your payment-related options and configurations. In the Payments section, you'll find the Manage Automatic Payments option. This interface shows all your active automatic payments in one convenient location. Finally, find the specific merchant or subscription you want to cancel. Click the Cancel button next to it and confirm your cancellation when prompted. The mobile app method follows a similar process, but with a touch-friendly interface designed for smartphones and tablets. In the mobile app, tap your profile icon, navigate to Settings, then Automatic Payments. Select the subscription you want to cancel, tap Cancel Automatic Payment, and confirm your choice. Here's a crucial point that many users miss. Canceling through PayPal only stops future payments through PayPal. It does not cancel your actual service or subscription with the merchant. For example, with Netflix, if you only cancel through PayPal, Netflix service continues, and they may try to charge other payment methods. The proper approach is to cancel with Netflix first, then remove the PayPal authorization. Remember, always cancel with both the merchant and PayPal to ensure complete cancellation. This prevents continued service charges and potential billing disputes. Effective PayPal payment management requires following proven best practices. The most critical rule is dual cancellation. Always cancel both with PayPal and directly with the merchant to ensure complete service termination. Always save your cancellation confirmations as proof. Cancel subscriptions at least 3 to 5 days before the next billing cycle to avoid unwanted charges, and monitor your statements for 2 to 3 months afterward. Industry statistics reveal concerning trends in subscription management. 42% of consumers have forgotten about at least one subscription, leading to an average of $273 in annual spending on unwanted services per household. Financial experts recommend conducting monthly reviews of automatic payments and integrating subscription management into your regular financial planning routine. This proactive approach helps prevent forgotten subscriptions and unnecessary expenses. The future of payment management is evolving rapidly. Enhanced consumer protection laws are being implemented, with potential standardization of cancellation processes across all platforms to make subscription management more user-friendly. Technology integration will include automatic subscription tracking through personal finance apps and AI-powered spending analysis that can recommend cancellations for unused services, making payment management more intelligent and automated. Finally, be aware of common pitfalls that can undermine your payment management efforts. The biggest mistakes include only canceling with PayPal without contacting the merchant, waiting until after the billing date to cancel, and failing to save confirmation emails as proof of cancellation. By following these best practices, staying informed about industry trends, and avoiding common mistakes, you can maintain complete control over your PayPal automatic payments and protect yourself from unwanted charges and subscription surprises.